Welcome to the third part of my series, What the Shell, where we talk about different seashells you can find on Navarre Beach and fun facts about them. In my last video, I asked you guys to pick my left or right hand, and whichever seashell I was holding would be the one I would feature next. You guys picked the right, so today we are talking about spirals. Before we get into the spiral shells, let's play our little game again, left or right. Now, spirals, or spires as some people call them, is actually the name of the shape of these shells, not the species. There are a few different species that have this spiral shape. So today I'm going to show you the three main ones you're going to find on Navarre Beach and how to identify them. So you're kind of getting a 3-for-1 special. So in my hands here, I'm holding three different types of spiral-shaped seashells that you can find on Navarre Beach that belong to different types of snails. They all have this same cone-like structure because each of these snails is going to burrow into the sand, whoops, like this. So you have the pointy side up to hide from predators. Our first spiral shell is an auger, and how we know this is an auger is because it has very defined vertical lines on each whorl here. The auger is a carnivorous predator, and it has these harpoon-like teeth that it uses to inject a poison into its prey to help stun it so it can be consumed. Our next shell is the boring turret, and I find a lot of these on Navarre Beach. The best way to identify these shells is they will have vertical lines following the whorls on the spiral shell. Boring turrets are filter feeders, so they're going to eat microscopic particles in the water and in the sand. Our final spiral shell we're talking about today are ceriths, and you can tell the difference between these and other spiral shells because they typically have a fatter base and also a circular opening, which you can kind of see here. Cerith snails are omnivorous and typically feed on algae or fish waste that they find on the bottom of the ocean floor. So now you know the difference between three different species that have spiral shells. What type of spiral shells do you have in your collection?